Hello everyone, we are on day 2 at IMTEX exhibition in Bangalore on Hall 3B A102. Today we will be seeing about our toggle clamps, which is produced in India. So here we have our display of the high capacity toggle clamps which we produce in Chennai. It comes in two load categories. One is at 300 kg, which is a 600 HCTC, and one at 500 kg load capacity. We also have the push-pull types here, and we do have many more clamps which is produced in Chennai, and we have a comprehensive information in our website carrlane.com. And tomorrow we have more product lines in, and we will be seeing that tomorrow. Please do visit our booth at Hall 3B A102. We'll be happy to show our products and give you all the technical information you like. Looking forward. Bye-bye.